Seriously, we just want happy girls. And that doesn't mean happy because they're just doing what they want. It's happy because they're fulfilling their academic ambitions and their sporting achievements. My name's Rebecca Paston and my role here is St Margaret's house mistress. I think each house has its own special character. I think in Margaret's we're quite what I would call an all-rounder house. So the girls have a reputation for being particularly good at sport, but also academically we come out pretty much near the top as well.
It's a very good house for sort of putting their best step forward and trying their absolute best in absolutely everything.
That then leads into a discipline, and so the girls have a discipline for study. My philosophy for St Margaret's House is one of accompaniment. We just walk with them in their lives and experience their highs and their lows with them. We're always there, but also at a distance to help them realise that they have to have some resilience as well, so we know when to go forward and when to stand back.
She respects our freedom, which I really value about her.
So the house is situated at the bottom of the valley, nearest to the playing fields. When you leave the college and you come home at the end of the day, it's quite separate.
When you look out of the windows, you can't even see the school, it's as if you're in the middle of nowhere.
Here we have the common room, and in here the girls relax and they pull the seats back, and then we get together and we watch a movie. There's also a table tennis table, and then in the morning and last thing at night, we pull back the screen and the room becomes a chapel for our place of prayer. So here we have the main atrium where we have the table for gathering and we have the notice board so the girls can see the week ahead. So this is the study, which is used for the girls to gather and for me to speak to the girls, to have socials with the girls, to make sure that they're okay, and just to generally have a chat and gather together and eat some biscuits. So this is the library with a small collection of books, but really it's a nice place for the girls to study, to have a bit of peace and quiet, and also there's a spot for them to be at their laptops as well. Here we have a small snug for girls to relax, have a chat with no TV. It's meant for socialising and also playing the piano, and sometimes we have a sing-song. So this is the kitchen, which is the heart of the house. We're very lucky to have Morag, who will make sure that the girls are well fed and that everything's laid out for them for the busy day ahead. So here we have a first year bedroom. In here we have 4 beds in the dormitory and desks for them to study at. As the girls get older, they share and have a 2-bed dormitory where they have an ensuite bathroom, and of course they each have a desk to do their prep. When the girls move up to seniors, they have one of these rooms where it's all en suite, and of course they're given their desk in order to do their independent study. My main duties as a house mistress are to make sure that the girls are safe, to make sure that the girls are cared for, emotionally, spiritually, and in terms of their mental health. I think boarding has changed, that it's no longer we take the children and then that's it, the parents go off and then we look after them. And we work in conjunction with the parents and what they want for their child and what's necessary for their child. Our house is an all-rounder house for those girls who are just happy and know that they'll be supported in the times that don't always go smoothly.
Margaret's really is very special.
Never experienced such friendships ever before.
You can just be yourself here and it just feels like home. It's all like having a big family in a way.
I'm happy and I tell that myself every single day. I'm glad to be a Margaret's girl.